glow up in one. Alright, that was fast, so shimmy. Next, we're gonna get lips as smooth as Donald Trump's butt. Wait, what? Easy average close up, but it's upside down, guys, upside down. Next, obviously, I'm gonna exfoliate those crusty croissant lips of mine. Shimmy again. Now we're gonna pretend to point to the time and roll scene, please. But first, I gotta make the face. Don't really have anything much to say about this bit, apart from red, Smashbox, yum, love, Bawse, girl, Bawse. Bawse, got Bawse hands, boy. Yeah, that didn't focus, but alright, whatever, who cares? My lips look like they're bleeding, so I laugh. That's it. Here's me being insecure on my lips, but giving you guys a little close-up just to get things a bit juicy. But then I don't care about your negative opinions, boy. This is where we do glow up stage 2 and we transform into some sexy piece of me. So probably one of the most cringiest lip modeling you see, like the music don't even fit, but you know, here's the flirting of the eyes and everything. Oh, okay, Vogue, girl, Vogue, go Vogue, boy, yes. Yes, boy, we are going straight into the next makeup product swatch because ain't nobody got time for emotional stories. Like the time I was low-key abandoned in the theme park and I was a lost child, basically. Yeah, that wasn't the best experience for me as a child. Probably why I have abandonment issues now. Just kidding. Anyway, what we're doing is we're swatching the first 4 like individually and then let's speed things up because like I said, nobody got time for my emotional stories. When I was younger, purple used to be my like favorite color because an uncle pointed out that I just liked purple and I just thought, oh my god, purple is my favorite color, but it wasn't, you know. I just took on that identity and it was just a fake identity and you can't let people control you of your life, okay? Don't let people point out stuff that ain't you. That's me pointing at that pastel colors and I'm brown, so don't show up. So here's me thinking I'm running out of space, being smart, putting the colour on top of my wrist, but then it just ruins the whole like colourful order that this is in and I was like, oh! But anyway, we will erase this afterwards. Fix our mistakes. And that is that, guys. You survived me swatching these and blabbering. Well done. Ignore my hairy arms. I've gotten over it and you should get over it. Get over it, mate. Anyway, here's different lighting, Spider-Man stuff, and we're gonna give an honest review now. So essentially this is basically what the Bawse liquid lipstick Sprite by Smashbox by Superwoman looks like on me and like people with like kind of my skin tone kind of complexion. I've been trying to find like red liquid lipstick or just lipstick in general and like every one I've come across and bought is just way too bright for me and this is like literally perfect shade and oh, it's just look, it's like not too dark, it's not too bright, and it's just popping, it's bold and makes the highlight pop as well, you know, guys. Yeah, and that was the swatch from my hand. As for, excuse the mess, as for like the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, bruh, look at these colors. Can you see this? Can you? There's like pastels, there's like glittery ones. Oh wow, I look really tired from this angle, sorry. There's like glittery ones, there's just like matte ones. Did I say matte? Yeah. But it's like such a nice color range and like basically if you want to experiment with colors, I would get this palette. I'm just saying I love this anyway because, and I'm not being biased because like I really wanted to buy this and my friend just ended up getting it for me. I never told anyone I wanted it. She just knows me so well and she got me this lipstick. I was like, ah, I just died. Oh, also, when she gave this to me yesterday, I tested it out and so on the box it claims that it's like an 8-hour, it lasts for 8 hours and let me just tell you, it lasts. I ate, I drank, it lasted, it was still on there, like it does like come off like the excess, like if I do this, look, it does come off, but like it stays there. Like I was like, oh, you know, I literally wiped it at one point, a lot came off with my hands, but like it stayed on me and it was like intact. So yeah, if you tend to get like really crusty lips, it does go crusty, I'm not gonna lie with you, but that's why you should just exfoliate and have like a good lip skincare routine, which I don't have, so but thank you so much for watching. If you want me to try any other products, let me know. If you have any questions for me, I'm going to be doing a Q&A soon, so just comment down below. If you're not subscribed yet already, join the Raw family by subscribing and turn on that notification bell so you do get notifications when I upload, because summer is here, that means Zara is here, and yeah, we're gonna be having a lot of fun this summer, so yes, exactly. Anyway, until next time, bye.